Hi, this is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on how you can use PixelPipe on your Android phone. PixelPipe is available on the web, free account. You can publish photos, videos, and lots more to over 100 destinations. I currently use it with Evernote. So to save time, I've set up some things in my Android phone. I've taken a picture with my camera on my Android phone of a bear I'm carving. Put in the title of bear, and by using this tag at Evernote, if I tap share to, it loads my pipes. You can have multiple pipes, but it shows Evernote. I just tap OK. Shows the bear. And now, if we go back to my PixelPipe account, you can see already here is the picture of the bear on the table. It actually automatically rotates the picture so it's facing the right way. The tag is at Evernote, and it was received 0 minutes ago. So in this way, you can use PixelPipe to communicate with nearly 100 different services and send data, pictures, videos, text, and more. This is how you can use PixelPipe on your Android phone, and that's all there is to it.